Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time or you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button to help support our channel. Well guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make those locking lugs for your wheels if you're using spike lugs. You're going to need, of course, a set of spike lugs that you're going to use for your wheels, one wheel stud from your auto parts store for your vehicle, and a set of Lugs premium wheel locks or a open end style wheel lock from a reputable company like Lugs, Gorilla Locks, something not too cheap. Stay away from them open end spline key style because those are very easy to get a hold of. I like using the Lugs because they have a thread on the outer body of the lock that makes it pretty much impossible for someone to hammer a socket over it. What you're going to do is measure your wheel lock's height. Let's say, for instance, the height is 1 inch. Then you're going to cut a 1/4 inch less than that off of the spike lug. So 3/4 off the spike lug is what you're going to be cutting off. With a cutting wheel or a tool that you can safely cut the lug with. If not comfortable with cutting or using such tools, a mechanic shop should be able to do this for you. I use a vise to hold the lug and mark a line where I'm going to cut with a Sharpie. Try and cut as straight as you can. Once the lug is cooled down after cutting, use the stud you bought and screw it into the spike lug you just cut to make sure the threads are clean and you're able to screw the lug on the stud easily. Just make sure that you don't cross thread the factory studs. I bought 2 sets of locks for my vehicle, so I have 2 locks per wheel. You can use only 1 set if you prefer. Whatever amount of locks you have, that's how many lugs you will have to cut. So in my case, I cut 8, 2 per wheel. Don't use an impact to install locks. Use a torque wrench and tighten to 100 foot-pounds. Then you screw the spike lug that you cut on top of the wheel lock. Also, do not use an impact and use a socket wrench and tighten it enough that you can't unscrew it easily. These spikes are just for cosmetic now because the lock is actually doing all the work. These locks work. These pictures are showing the aftermath of someone trying to steal my wheels and wasn't able to remove the locks. I guess they got mad that they weren't able to get the wheels and threw a brick into my windshield. Well guys, there you go. Pretty easy and adds a little bit more protection to your investment in wheels. I did also make a way to GPS track my wheels if they got stolen. If interested in seeing the video on how I did that, please leave a comment below, and if enough interest, I'll make a video. Please subscribe and give us a like and let your friends know about our channel. Well guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.